Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting session of our Cybersecurity Awareness Training course. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that's absolutely essential for anyone who uses the internet password management. Passwords are the gatekeepers to our digital lives. They protect our personal information, financial data, and even our social media accounts. But how often do we really think about the strength and security of our passwords? Today, I'm diving into something super important: password management. This is your first line of defense against cyber threats, and it's crucial to get it right. Let's face it, passwords are your first line of defense against cyber threats. They are the keys to your digital kingdom, and if they fall into the wrong hands, the consequences can be disastrous. So it's crucial to know how to create strong and unique passwords to keep your online accounts safe. A strong password is like a sturdy lock on your front door. It keeps the bad guys out. First tip: use a different password for each of your online accounts. This might seem like a hassle, but it's one of the most effective ways to protect yourself. I know it sounds like a hassle, but reusing passwords is a big no-no. Imagine if you used the same key for your house, car, and office. If someone gets hold of that key, they have access to everything. Why? Because if a hacker gets hold of one password, they can access all your accounts. This is a common tactic used in cyber attacks, and it's incredibly effective. Scary, right? So mix it up. Use different passwords for different accounts to create multiple layers of security. Next, let's talk about making those passwords hard to crack. A strong password is one that's difficult for others to guess, but easy for you to remember. Think complex. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. The more varied your password, the harder it is for hackers to crack it. The more random, the better. Randomness is your friend when it comes to password security. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name, birthday, or common words. Forget about using your pet's name or your birthday. Hackers love that stuff. They have tools that can guess these common passwords in seconds. All right, let's recap. Password management is critical for protecting your online accounts and personal info from cyber threats. By using unique and complex passwords, you're already ahead in the game. By using unique and complex passwords, you're already ahead in the game. You're making it significantly harder for cyber criminals to access your information. And here's a pro tip: consider using a password manager. These tools can help you store and generate complex passwords so you don't have to remember every single one. It's a lifesaver. These tools can help you store and generate complex passwords so you don't have to remember every single one. It's a lifesaver. Password managers can also alert you if any of your passwords have been compromised. Remember, taking a few extra steps now to secure your passwords can save you from potential headaches and financial losses down the road. It's a small investment of time for a huge payoff in security. So prioritize password security today and keep those cyber villains at bay. Thanks for tuning in. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and keep learning. Stay safe, and see you next time. Remember, your digital security is in your hands. Until next time, keep those passwords strong and unique.